Okay, today we are understanding a new concept called dictionary. Okay, can anyone tell me what do you mean by a dictionary? It's a general English meaning word and generally used.
Dictionary means we have multiple like meanings in that dictionary, like that we are getting multiple things
Okay,
using.
And words will be arranged lexicographically, and they will be all the words will be unique, and if they have different meanings, then every meaning will be written within one word with different paragraphs.
okay. Anyone? Any other understanding about a dictionary? We have English
Explanation of words.
dictionary, something like that, right? What was it, Money?
Explanation of words.
Explanation of words. Okay. Any other? Okay, I'll tell. My level of understanding, dictionary means you will have a word and then you have a meaning of that particular word, right? That is called a dictionary. That is what we used to see that. Okay. Now, can you tell me one thing in the dictionary? What is the key and what is the value here? The key and the value.
Key is the word and value is the
Is the
meaning.
The word and the value is the
meaning.
meaning of that particular word, right?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, can you go on mute, everyone, please? Okay. Now the point here is key is the value. Sorry, key. Word is the key, and then meaning is a value here. Now, in any dictionary, if you take, the key will not repeat. Means the word will not repeat. For example, if you want to search for a word called window, you will have only one word in the dictionary. Window means this is the meaning of it. That's it. If you want to search a word called computer, there will be only one word in the dictionary. You will have the meaning of it. But if you search in the Google for a computer, there are the number of meanings can be there. Okay, you can find a number of meanings can be there. But for a computer, that's only the word. Computer, if you take that, that's everyone will say this is a computer only, right? So always the word is a unique. So that means you will have for this word, this is the meaning. Okay, generally take example, guys. For one word, you can have a multiple meanings, but for a multiple words, you will not have a one meaning. Clear? That's correct, right? Basically. So generally, if you say, then what is the use of it, right? If for all these words, only one meaning means there is nothing to be understand, right? If you see here, you have a word called computer, and you can say like someone will say like, it is a dabba, someone will say it's a monitor, someone will say it's a keyboard. So there are different things the people can understand, and they will tell in terms of if you take a simple word, so they will say like, this is what it is. Now, in the same fashion, in our computer programming also, we have a different uh, concept called dictionary. So dictionary means there is a word and there is a meaning out of it. So a word means it's always should be a unique. There is no change at all, and they will have a meaning of out of it. Okay. The meanings can be duplicate. So 100%, the people will say like, for people will say like, key monitor, if you say it belongs to computer. Keyboard, if you say it belongs to computer. Mouse, if you take, it belongs to computer. Those are the meanings the people understand. But all the words are different. Monitor, keyboard, mouse. Those keys are different, but the meaning, it comes to the same. Okay. So in the same way, here we have a concept called dictionary. Okay, where in the line number 11, if you see like hash map, excuse me. Yesterday we have discussed about it in our diagram, hierarchy diagram. We have seen a class called hash map. So hash map, it is a dictionary. So that means it has a word and it has a meaning. And in the same way, if I say that it has a key and it has a value. So keys always be unique, values can be duplicate. Okay. So there is no rule saying that it cannot be a duplicate. It is possible you can have the duplicate values. Now, rest of the things are pretty much same. There is nothing change here. Only the thing like hash map, integer, comma, any type of class. Any is an integer or any string or double, float, whatever you want, you can give. Okay. But the basic rule of a dictionary is the keys always unique and values can be duplicates. That is only one basic rule. Now, adding and getting everything is very similar. I'm not saying as the same, it is very similar. For example, for a list, if you want to add an item over there, we use a method called add. But here in the hash map, in the dictionary, if you want to add an item, here we use called put. Okay. Map list dot put key comma value. This is the way we are gonna be put the data inside to the hash map. And also in the same way, how we are able to accessing the values from a list is list dot get. We'll have an index and we'll have a directly you can give the item. So this item I want, or this is the index I want. But here you can able to get it two ways. Okay, because you have a key and also you have a value. So in the same way, when you want to access an item in the hash map, so you can say like whatever the map list dot get key, map list dot get value. So you can say and you can pass the whatever the parameters inside. So you can able to access the values or keys from the hash map. Okay, and also it has remove method. All these things will be pretty much same. There is nothing difference over there. Okay, so all the things are pretty much similar. Okay, just you can go here and understand, like, there is a add, here is a put. There is only one item we are adding. Here two things we are adding. What was it? Here a key and then value. So you can able to access the items here. You can able to add items here. You can able to remove the items here, and you can able to check is the value is available or not. So all these things you can able to check. But over there, you will not. You can also do the same things, similar things in the other interfaces and classes also in collections. Okay. Now, why we need this one? One biggest advantage is there to get an item here. I mean, to go to the hash map. Okay. For example, you have a dictionary of 5,000 pages. Okay. Now, when you want to go to the page number 2999, if you want to go to the page number, then what you do directly, you will have a page numbers and you can rotate to the flip your pages and you can find it 299 easily because of the identification of the page number. So page number is a key for you, right? So because it's always be unique, it cannot be a duplicate. So that's why blindly you can find the page number and you can go and you can go to the respective page if you want to find something. Now, in the same way, I have a list of 5,000 items. Now I want to access an item of 2,999. So there is a one way, like with the giving the index, you can able to get it. But think like I don't know the index. Then what you will have to do, you need to rotate and find it into the 2,999 and get an item. That is the way we are going to be get it, right? But here, what you can say, right, you can say like, Maulali, comma Canada, Amitabh, comma West Bengal, Deepika, comma Tirupati, Arun, comma Tirupati, Chaitanya, comma, Tirupati, something like that. You will have a key and you have a value. So you can able to mention a key and a value. Now, if you want to access me, directly you can pass the Moulali. So hash map dot get key of Moulali. Then you will get in all the details of mine immediately. Because remembering the name is easy, but index you never know can be changed, right? For example, when you're creating an index, you will how do you say that in the 5,000 items, in which index your item is available in the 3,345? How do you say that? You will not able to exactly remember these values, right? But if you're able to have a dictionary with the key and value, wherever it is, doesn't matter. It will be in the first place, it will be in the 2,999 place, or it is in the 5,000 place, no matter. Only the thing you need to say, like, you have to pass the key. Based on the key, it will get a value, right? So this is the major advantage having having said, with the hash map and the rest of the collections. Okay, got it? Okay, now can you unmute and start shooting the questions?
Yeah, here I am using map that entry, right? What is the use for that one? I mean, like I saw in a net, sorry, in websites, it is a interface. So it to iterate that whatever we are giving list like that, it should what is the main use for those things and all?
Sulochana, like, if you ask me directly, I too don't know about it.
Okay.
Because we will not access the values like this, we will access the values in some other way. So
Okay.
in the internet, you can find the hundreds of ways to get an access the values. Okay, but
Okay.
there are some simplest way also there. You can able to get it and you can search it over there. Okay.
Okay.
I think from entry that they will entry the value.
I saw this entry set method. What it doing means it will return the whatever list is there, right? That list it will be written in entry set using entry set method. We can return that list like that.
I understand, Sujochana, but if you see this
Yes.
program, I can say that, this is what it's gonna be happen. But
Yeah.
there are different examples also available in internet. You can try it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Anna, why math is different from the other means list and things?
Why the map is different? Because it's a dictionary. This is created for a dictionary purpose. Those are created for the list purpose.
But here entry is very much different from the other parts.
Map is don't use the duplicate value and key. Same is this is used in key and value have a null value is also allowed. For example, I give a map list dot put na, I give a null key and a null value. This is one time allowed in only hash map only. This is a
Yeah,
main
only one null value it
one,
will take.
yeah.
But
Multiple key value,
multiple elements will be null, but key value must be
must
only
be one null value. This
I'm
is the
saying
main
that
difference.
I'm saying that in collection you are using the value means in the list and in the set you are designing for the another method like that means you are writing you are creating the object in a different method, and here is I'm saying that in key value pair is the different. I'm saying that that's the thing I'm asking.
Yeah.
Okay. Once again, Danish. See, here you need to understand one thing. Hash map is an interface or it's a class?
It's interface.
No class.
No, it's
Sorry, it's a
class.
How do you say it is a class, Anish?
I forget the diagram.
Okay, no. Can you tell me here? How do you say it's a class?
No, it's a class.
Are
You
you
are
sure?
creating that object. You are creating an object of that.
We have created object of that, right?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So now, can you tell me one thing? We have a phone of Nokia. We have a phone of iPhone, and we have a phone of Google. Okay, and we have a phone of MI. Why these people are creating all the different number of phones?
Each phone having their own features. In different features is there in on one phone.
Second, guys. I'm asking Anish.
Okay.
Okay.
They have this different types of means own condition and own means they are different style and designing is there.
Okay. Style and designing is there. That's fine. And it has a different features too also, right?
Yes.
So one is using the iOS, one is using Android, one is using Oxygen OS, one is using some XOS, right?
Yeah.
But everything is a phone.
Yeah.
So now that is an answer, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, go ahead. Any other questions? Any other questions, guys? Are
Sir,
you
one
really
doubt, sir.
understand any? Okay, yes, go ahead, Mona.
Sir, the for map entry இருக்குல்ல sir, அது for each method தானே sir, totally.
Adu for each method, but you can able to
Ah.
access with the many ways, Mona, like,
Yeah,
Yes,
each entry set,
using
all these things, you no need to give that, okay?
yeah, okay.
And Anna, in the diagram you were showing that yesterday, map is not there Anna, in the
Map
diagram.
is not collection. This is a different way. So exactly the search said dictionary. Map is not collection.
Okay.
It's definitely say that it's not part of it's not a part of the collection.
Yes. This is a dictionary way. Have
Anish,
many things.
did you open that what do you call the yesterday's Java T point collections?
Yeah, no. I didn't,
Did you see that, right?
yeah. Yeah, I got there. But that diagram I seen that, so that's I asked you.
Okay. So uh, we don't have a class called map here. Okay. So here we are discussing about totally one set of collections which is starting from the iterable. Okay. Got it?
Yes.
So that is the reason it has the methods are pretty much similar. Like it has a add and it has a remove and it has a contains whatever the different methods it's shareable between this array list, linked list, queue, set. It everything is shareable over there. Okay. Now we discussed about a new concept called dictionary. Okay. So this is a pretty much new concept called dictionary, where these dictionaries is a one type of collections. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other questions, guys? Mm-hmm. Yes, no.
No, sir.
No. Malali, in map interface, we have like three types of classes, right? One hash map, linked hash map, and tree map.
Okay.
Here, Sulojana did with hash map
Mm-hmm.
class, right?
Mm-hmm.
For creating an.
Uh-huh.
When we'll use this linked hash map, tree hash map.
That's what I will tell you. One thing. That's what I was telling you, Sandeep.
Yeah.
These things until my this 13 years of experience, I did not use only not even one time. Okay. So this will totally comes under that on your requirement basis. So like for example, when you want to use any data structures where order graph or post order, in order, so different types of ordering techniques. Okay. So all these things when you are implementing, when you need that. So basically on our general day-to-day life programming, you have a list, array list, set or hash map. So maximum we use only this. Okay. But the point here is why I was discussing all these things, whenever you get a requirement and it's time to implement those things, by seeing an example in internet, you need to understand how to do that. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it is a very simple one thing, Sandeep. Setukot lingalo board lingam. Okay. Okay. So this is also one type of a class where it does all these things. That's it. So
Okay.
this is the mindset you people has to get it. Okay.
Okay.
So that's a you, and also one thing you will
No,
not
there
for all
is
these
no
things.
difference between that.
What was it?
Like, there is no difference. Then there is no difference between the hash map, linked hash map, tree map.
100% there will be difference.
With three,
And without having a difference, why they will create it? There will be very, very minute
Yes.
difference can be there. If you say like, for example, collection and collections, okay,
Yeah.
only the S is difference, but it is, totally changes the meaning out of it, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
100% there will be a difference. Okay.
Okay.
So
Based on our requirement, if
only
you,
the thing like you need to see that, okay, this will be used for this one. Okay. Now you are
Okay.
trying a program, Sandeep, and you given one requirement, you are trying to do that. You are not able to
Okay.
solve it here, and you will
Okay.
search on internet. They will
I'll try it on
internet, they
another
have
way.
said like you can try with the linked hash map. Okay, linked
Okay.
hash map. They said. Then you open that class and you will see that okay, this class will work like this. Okay, this is the way it has to be understand. Okay, take an example, do it and implement it. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Then hash map is means majorly using for the searching an element.
I searching element 100% yes, because
Okay.
that's what I was saying, right, Anish. If you see like 5,000 elements are there in that element. If you want to use with the UTM name, you would easily get your value. Okay. Right. So that's why
Yeah.
it is. So there are number of purposes available. Only the point here, what I was telling you, understand how to use it. Okay. Whatever there are, we are seeing only 10 classes now. Excuse me. There will be 100 classes comes up when you are doing your programs. So you need to say that, okay, when you take an example, you need to understand how it works. Okay, this is the way it works. Okay, let me take it, try it. Okay, this is the requirement. Am I satisfying? Yes, then go ahead. Okay.
Thank you.
That's fine. Any other things, guys? If you don't have anything, then we'll go to the another concept today.
Malali, I need one more day to practice this collection.
Okay.
I think it is a huge topic, right? I want to familiar with these collections because it is an important concept.
Yes, 100% agree.
Before going to the another concept, we need to
guys,
practice more and more.
Do you think like we need time for you? Do you need time for practicing these things? Hello?
Yes, we will practice the hash map today. So It would be better to have the hash map only.
Okay, but try to do in all the things, guys. List, array list, linked list, set, and
Accept.
Hash.
Is-
set.
Reset.
I'll tell you 1 second. 1 second. Let me open that. Let me share my screen. Where
We
is
have we have priority queue. Array.
Can I stop my sharing?
queue
all
is
that?
queue.
Please go ahead and stop your sharing.